Hi, this is Noel. Right now, I'm here in my workplace where I set up, prepare, and do printing like this. Currently, I'm printing a face shield headband for protection against COVID-19 virus. I'm using Ender 5 3D printer, and it is a solid, reliable, good quality printer. The reason why I'm printing a face shield headband is because I want to help my nearby hospital for their frontliner. Right now, they have so limited face shield to protect their frontliner. So my wish is to have another 3D printer to produce more face shield headband like this to help the frontliners. Thank you.